How to add or change camera filters while taking picture on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the camera app, and then on the top you'll see upward arrow. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll need to swipe to the left, and there you'll see three circles, so that is the filter icon. Tap on it, and from here you can change the filters. So the first one is original, the second one is vivid, then vivid warm, then vivid cool, so it keeps on changing. So you can just change it, and you can even have the black and white filters according to your wish. That's simple. And just make sure that you use among these filters, because you cannot add more filters. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.